Welcome everyone to the Highball Advisors Questions and Answers. My name is John McNamara with Highball Advisors, and today's question comes in from Frank D. He says, what are the requirements for the railroad retirement survivor benefits? Okay, so the first part of it is you had to be vested into the railroad retirement system, and that means 5 years of credible railroad service post 1995 or 10 years before 1995, combination of there, gets you vested. That's part one. Part two, you have to have a current connection to the railroad in order to receive retirement benefits or survivor benefits. So if you're, let's say if you worked for the railroad 5 years ago, and something unfortunately happens and they're looking for, your family's looking for survivor benefits, you have no current connection, there is no survivor benefits, so you need to have that survivor benefits. So that's just the real high level stuff. Please check out my videos on survivor benefits on my YouTube channel, 2-part series or show, very interesting stuff. Check that out. That'll give you a lot more in-depth information if you want to go further into the topic. So Frank, I hope that answers your question. Everyone, please send your questions in and I'll answer them. I'll do a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I appreciate that. In the meantime, stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.